How's it going, guys? In this video I want to give you another book review on a particular author that I've met in the Philippines. When I was living in the Philippines, I was there for about 5 years, and yeah, I did a lot of things over there. I did a lot of events. I trained a lot of people, did seminars and everything, and I got really into the culture. In this video, I want to give a particular book review on a very famous guy in the Philippines. His name is Mr. Bo Sanchez, and if you're in the Philippines, you definitely know who he is. He's a preacher, and he also has a company called Kerygma, and he also does a lot of seminars and workshops all around the Philippines. So one of the books that he did was is a very famous book. It's a tiny book called My Maid Invests in the Stock Market by Bo Sanchez. I really like these type of small books. It's very small, very easy to digest. And Bo Sanchez, he has a maid, and the maid wants to learn more about finances. So Bo Sanchez teaches the maid on how to invest in the stock market. There's a lot of negative stigma attached to the stock market, like it's really hard to invest money into it. It's hard to decide stocks, and there's just too much technical knowledge behind it. Therefore, it's for the rich guys. But this book teaches you that you can actually do it, even if his maid can invest in the stock market, so can you too. So, and it gives you pretty good examples on how you can do this. And I'll cover this in another book on the particular examples that he uses. But he uses this thing called the SAM method. You actually just pick the stock like a giant, and you just keep pouring money into it. And despite where the market is, you just got to keep on investing money into it. So that's pretty much the strategy behind it. I think it's okay. I mean, the way it's written is fantastic. I love the way the book is written. However, I must say that I'm not too sure or confident about the particular strategy, because Bo Sanchez's strategy is about just picking a giant, and you just put money into it, and then even if the stock goes up or down, just keep pouring money into it, and then hopefully about 10 years it's going to be profitable because it's a giant company. Anyway, that's the strategy behind the Bo Sanchez My Maid Invest in the Stock Market. I hope you like this review. Go check it out. It's a pretty quick book. You'll finish it in about 20 minutes, and it's very inspirational. It's for people who just want to get started in the stock market in the Philippines as well. So hope you enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.